If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, you will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.